Hello friends. Hello friends. Let's discuss today mineral and energy resources, which is a chapter of class 12 geography, India, people and economy. So, in introduction, we will talk about how India is endowed with rich variety of mineral resources due to its varied geological structure. Bulk of valuable minerals are the products of pre-Paleozoic age and are mainly associated with metamorphic igneous rocks of peninsular India. The mineral resources provide the necessary base for industrial development. Okay, so 3 points we need to keep in mind is that India is endowed with rich variety of mineral resources, and why is that? Due to its varied geological structure. And the second point is bulk of valuable minerals are the products of pre-Paleozoic age and are mainly associated with metamorphic igneous of peninsular India. Okay, the mineral resources provide necessary base for industrial development. So, what is a mineral? Well, mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. Okay? So the keywords we need to keep in mind are natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. So, now let's discuss types of mineral resources. So, on the basis of chemical and physical properties, minerals may be grouped under main categories of metallics and non-metallics, which can be further classified as follows. So, see this chart. In this, we can clearly see the classification of mineral resources. Okay, minerals are divided into two parts, metallic and non-metallic. And when we talk about metallic minerals are further divided into two parts, that is ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. So ferrous minerals contains iron, and example are iron, manganese, etc. And non-ferrous mineral, that means they don't contain iron, they are copper, bauxite, etc. Now, when we talk about non-metallic minerals are of two types, fuel mineral and other non-metallic minerals. So what are these fuel minerals? Fuel minerals are coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. And other non-metallic minerals are mica, limestone, graphite, etc. Okay. So this is the chart which we need to keep in mind when we talk about classification of mineral resources. Okay. So now let's talk about metallic minerals. So metallic minerals are the sources of metals. Iron ore, copper, gold producing metals are included in this category. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous metallic minerals. Ferrous, as you know, means iron. All those metals which have iron content are ferrous, such as iron ore itself. And those which do not have iron content are known as non-ferrous minerals such as bauxite, copper, etc. So, when we talk about metallic minerals, the things we need to keep in mind are that metallic minerals are the sources of metals, and which type of metals, that is iron ore, copper, gold, etc. And metallic minerals, they are further divided into two parts, that is ferrous and non-ferrous metallic minerals. And the term ferrous means iron, so the metals which have iron content in them, they are known as minerals, and non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which do not have iron content in them. Now let's talk about non-metallic mineral. Non-metallic minerals, these are either organic in origin, such as fossil fuels, which are also known as mineral fuels, which are divided from the buried animal and plant life, such as coal and petroleum. Other type of non-metallic minerals are inorganic in origin, such as mica, limestone and graphite. Okay, so with this we finish the what we can say categories of mineral, classification of minerals, that is metallic and non-metallic. Okay, so now we come to the certain characteristics of minerals. When we talk about certain characteristics of minerals, there are three mainly. That is, number one, they are unevenly distributed. Number two, there is inverse relationship between quantity and quality. And number three, all minerals are exhaustible over time. Okay. So unevenly distributed, inverse relationship between quantity and quality, and all minerals are exhaustible over time. Okay. So, when we talk about this introduction part, and when we talk about the classification part, let's recap the whole thing. But before that, we need to keep one thing in mind. That is, these minerals take long time to develop geologically and cannot be replaced immediately at the time of need. So they should be conserved and not misused. Okay. So let's recap the whole thing. First, we studied in introduction that how India is endowed with rich variety of mineral resources due to its varied geological structure. And secondly, bulk of valuable minerals are the product of pre-Paleozoic age and are mainly associated with metamorphic igneous rocks of peninsular India. And thirdly, mineral resources provide the necessary base for industrial development. Next, we discussed what is mineral. What is mineral? Mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical property. Now, when we talk about types of minerals on the basis of their chemical and physical properties are grouped into two main categories, that is metallics and non-metallics. And metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous, and non-metallic minerals are further divided into fuel, mineral and other metallic minerals. So metallic minerals, they are the source of metals. Iron ore, copper, gold producing metals are included in these categories. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous metallic minerals. Ferrous, as you know, means iron. So all those metals which have iron content are ferrous, such as iron ore itself, and those which do not have iron content are known as non-ferrous minerals such as bauxite, copper, etc. And non-metallic minerals, they are of two origin, organic and inorganic. Organic non-metallic minerals are also known as fossil fuels or mineral fuels, which are derived from buried animal or plant life such as coal and petroleum. And other type of non-metallic minerals are inorganic in origin such as mica, limestone and graphite. So certain characteristics of minerals, let's discuss. What are the three main characteristics? Number one, they are unevenly distributed. Number two, inverse relationship between quantity and quality. And number three, all minerals are exhaustible over time. And it is because of these characteristics we need to keep in mind that these minerals take long time to develop geologically and cannot be replenished immediately at the time of need. So they need to be conserved and not misused. So, this was the first part. We will be coming with further parts of this NCERT Class 12 Geography.